AI sounds complicated, right? Neural networks, transformers, large language models. It can feel overwhelming. So today, I'm going to explain AI like you're 5 years old, using simple stories and zero technical jargon. By the end of this video, you'll understand how modern AI works in the easiest way possible. Imagine you have a magical friend. You show them lots and lots of pictures, cats, dogs, cars, bananas, and they start learning what everything is. They don't learn by reading books. They learn by seeing thousands of examples. That's basically what AI does. It looks at tons of data until it figures out patterns. Think of AI learning like stacking blocks. Every block is a tiny rule it discovers. One block might say, cats usually have pointy ears. Another might say, dogs usually have rounder faces. AI stacks millions of these tiny rules until it becomes very good at recognizing things, better than humans sometimes. You might hear the word neural network. That sounds scary, but here's the kid version. A neural network is like a gigantic coloring book. Each page has a small doodle, and every time the AI guesses right, the page stays colored neatly. Every time it guesses wrong, it erases and colors again. The AI keeps coloring and fixing things until it becomes really good at completing the picture. Transformers are the super smart models behind modern AI, like the one you're watching right now. Imagine reading a storybook. You don't look at just one word. You look at many words together to understand the meaning. Transformers do the same. They shine a spotlight on the most important words, like a teacher pointing at a board, so the AI understands the whole sentence, not just one word at a time. That's why they are so powerful. Large language models, like ChatGPT or Claude, are like giant libraries that can talk. They've read millions of books, articles, and websites, so when you ask them a question, they search their memory for patterns and give you the best answer they can. Not because they think, but because they've seen so many examples. So, in kid terms, AI learns from examples, remembers patterns, and uses them to answer questions, recognize images, or solve problems. That's it. No magic, just a lot of practice. If you liked this super simple breakdown, hit subscribe to Hermes Protocol for more easy AI explainers, because the future is complicated, but understanding it doesn't have to be.